In Photoshop, there is an easy way to apply a photo filter to your photographs. Now, this is as if you were using a photo filter on your camera, so it's going to allow you to adjust the colors and different things like that. So go up to Image and then go to Adjustments and click on Photo Filter. And here it's pretty easy to use. You can either pick a pre-made filter or you can select a color. You can say how much density you want to apply to that filter, so how dense or thick or rich the color will be, and if you want to preserve the luminosity when you apply the filter. So for instance, here we have a warming filter number 85 applied, and if I turn the preview on and off, you can see that it just warms up this image a little more. So an easy way to apply some of these filters. We have cooling filters, so you can see that the cooling filter is going to make it look a little more cooler. And then we have different filters like, say, a red filter. Let's turn the preview on so we can see that. And green, and all these different colored filters that we can apply to our image. There's even one called Underwater, which gives you kind of a teal color. You can also do it by color if you would like, so we can come in here and we can pick exactly what color we want to use. So maybe we want to do a very bright warm color like a yellow or an orange. And then we have a density adjustment. So of course, if it's at 1, we're not seeing any of it. And the more dense we make it, the more that filter is being applied across the whole image. So at 100%, almost everything turns yellow. And as we drop that down, you can see how it's applied. If we go back to filter and we leave this higher, you can see what's happening with some of these other filters, such as deep emerald, deep red. Sepia is a common one to make it look like a old style photo. It uses kind of this brown color, and if we turn that to 100, it kind of looks like an old photograph. And you can just come in here and play around with all of these different filters and colors. So this is an easy way, and this really just mimics any type of camera filter that you would use on your lens to color your image, and is a great quick way to come in here and add some variation or to warm up a picture or cool down a picture if you would like.